I told you that this story, one of my stories, that that Thanksgiving or something like that. I went back to the family, and I sat down at the table. I can't tell you exact. I think it was after third enlightenment or something like that. Yeah. I think so. But anyway, I never had a good relationship with my mother. We fought all the time. It was in no way a good relationship. She was not a loving woman. And I looked down at her at the end of the table. That our family, she's my father's one end, and I was obviously here. My father's one end, she's at the end. And I looked down and I saw this woman, and I did not relate her to me the way I normally did, habitually. I didn't think about it. It wasn't, I hadn't even invented most of this shit yet, right? But I saw the woman, and it suddenly got, this is a woman in a lot of pain. I looked at her and said, she's in a lot of pain. And then I also got, and she talked, that she's afraid of me. And that really blew me away, because how could a mother be afraid of a child? I'm her child. I wasn't very little then, but you know what I'm saying? It's like, it just never occurred to me that a mother could be afraid of a child. Of course they can. Mothers can be afraid of all kinds of things. They could be nuts too. See? But I saw this woman in a lot of pain. And I didn't think about it. I just got up, I walked over to her, and I just held her. I just put my arms around her. I wasn't trying to manipulate her. In the sense of like I wanted anything from her. I just wanted I wanted to comfort her, like you don't have to be in pain, and you shouldn't have to be afraid of me, And she broke down crying, because that was so unlike me. That was just so out of, but she had no idea. She said I was like Jesus or something. I was just, what the fuck? Well, that's a hard one to live up to, but it's like, that was that. And see, I normally, as the person I was, my relationship with my mother, that never would have occurred. So I could never even see her that way, because it was all what it meant to me, which is normal. Everything is what it means to you, see? Everything. And so your history also is what it means to you. So it's very difficult to see what's actually there. So even in this, such a case as that, it's recognizing something else that was there that you didn't notice before.
Hi, I'm Brendan Lee, and I've been studying with Peter Ralston for 20 years. I really want you to know that no matter how many videos you watch or books you read, it pales in comparison to the power of the live workshops that we host here at the center or on Zoom. If you want to get serious and do work that makes a real difference, please check the links in the description to learn more. Thank you.